Music. Big Picture Loans Express Loan Review, my experience. Need cash fast? In this video, I'm reviewing Big Picture Loans Express Loans and sharing my personal experience. Find helpful links in the description below. Big Picture Loans offers quick personal loans from $200 to $3,500, ideal for emergencies. Repay over up to 18 months. Apply online in minutes and get a same-day decision. Funds can arrive as soon as the next business day. Perfect for urgent situations. This service is designed for those with limited lending options, even with less than perfect credit. Big Picture Loans looks beyond traditional credit scores. Transparency is key. Loan terms, interest rates, and repayment schedules are clear upfront. Great for unexpected medical bills, car repairs, or travel emergencies. Note, interest rates can be higher than traditional loans, typical for short-term options. Carefully review the terms and ensure you can repay. Big Picture Loans also offers excellent customer support, ready to answer your questions. Ideal for first-time borrowers. Big Picture Loans Express Loans provide fast, flexible, and accessible financing. Remember to borrow responsibly, keeping interest and repayment in mind. If this is right for you, check the description links and get started today.